Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a battery in a Chrysler Sebring. First, gather your tools like a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal brush. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes throughout the process. Safety is always the top priority when working with car batteries. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Locate it, typically under the hood. Using your wrench, loosen and remove the negative terminal cable first, then the positive. This prevents accidental short circuits. After the cables are free, carefully remove any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. You can then lift the old battery out. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps. A wire brush works great for this. Now, carefully place the new battery into the tray, ensuring it sits securely. Reattach any hold-down clamps or straps. Then, connect the positive terminal cable first, followed by the negative terminal cable, tightening both firmly. With the new battery installed, double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Make sure the battery itself is stable and doesn't move. Now, start your engine to confirm everything is working correctly. If you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a smarter clean. You can find a link to this amazing product, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.